Now we will explain about unit step signal. Unit step signal is the integral of the impulse functions. Integral from negative infinity until infinity. Impulse function signal dt will be equal to the unit step signal. Will be integrate from when 1 is t bigger or equal 0, when the 0 is t smaller than 0. Okay. So when this signal represent in continuous times domain, it will be ut equal when it will be 0 when the time is smaller than 0 and 1 when the time is bigger or equal 0. So this signal will be represented like this. And this is our signal. It will look like this. It will be have a 1 when start at 0, and it will be smaller when the time smaller than 0, it will be represented as 0. Okay. Now we go to discrete time. It will represent as u n equal to, when it's 0, the n is smaller than 0, and 1 when the n is bigger or equal with 0. And this signal will be represented like this. un, and we have with the n, and the signal will be represented like this. It will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 after the 0. And this will be 0, 0, 0 before the n equals to 0. Now, we will go to the property of the unit step signal. First property, we will talk about when the summations of two unit step signal. Okay, let's say we have unit step u, t, and we have another signal is u minus t. This one is inverse. So when we want to find xt, summation of ut plus with u minus t, what you expect? Okay, how we find it? So first, we have a ut signal. How does it look like? It will be always 1 after 0 time. Okay, now we plus with u minus t. Okay, u minus t, how does it look like? So the signal, when the time is negative 1 and onwards, it will be 1. Okay, so when these two signals add up, what will you get? You will get xt. Okay, so this is your time 0. So first signal ut, you will go here when 1. This part is ut. Another part is 1. This one is u minus t. So you will get this signal. Okay, it's normally when we didn't see after image these two graphs, we will just, when t equals to 0, we will just take ut is equals 1, u minus t is equals to 1, and we will just take these two xt equals to ut, okay, plus with u minus t. Okay, we will just let it 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Do it correct? No, this is a wrong and not true. So by applying, to get the correct answer, we need to apply the Rubik phenomena. When a point is continuous, the signal's values is given an average signal value taken as just before and after point of the discontinuity. So we will know that before discontinuity is here, is 1. After the discontinuity is here, also is 1. Okay, we can find our average by equal 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So you will get 1. Okay, so at time equals to 0, 1 is the point of this continuity. Okay, now we go to second property. Now we want to find whether this unit step signal is a power or energy signal. Okay, how we need to do? We need to use a power formula. So P equals to limits power t when nearest to infinity. You're using this formula 1 over 2t. Integrate from negative t until t, our time. So modulus x t squared dt. Okay, now our xt is 1. Okay, our xt is 0 and 1, right? So unit step. So you let's it in unit step. Great, unit step. So this unit step, you will get limits t infinity 1 over 2t. Yeah, now we see. We have to integrate the signal negative t until 0. What we get? So you can refer this signal negative until 0, what we get? 0. Okay, when 0 until t, what we get is 1. So now we have 0 dt. And when the time 0 until t, we will have 1 dt. Okay, now we integrate. So limit time until infinity, okay, 1 over 2t. Okay, when we integrate 0, what we get? 0. So plus with 1 integrate with t, we get t. So 0 until t. So now we get is 1 over 2t and multiply with t. So this t can be cancelled off. So we cancel off it to infinity, we also cancel off. We will get 1 over 2. This is our power in watt. Okay, so this is our power is in a finite value. So the power, so this signal is a power signal. To be double conform, we can find our energy by using integrate negative infinity until infinity. Our x t modulus square dt. So what we get? When we integrate this signal and we power of 2, and this signal is t, is from negative infinity until infinity. If power of 2, it will always infinity. So this unit step signal is a power signal. Now we go to third property. Determine whether unit step is even or odd. So we will have ut is not equal to u minus t. This is even. And we will have ut is not equal to u and minus t. This is odd. Okay. So these two are not, this unit step signal is not an even signal. Also is not an odd signal. Correct or not? So unit step is neither even nor odd.